5.2 Dodge Ramcharger SUV. As you can see, riding on 20-inch polished wheels. 5.2 liter V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold, lets you get a good look at the front bumper, grille, headlight surround. Speaking of headlight, has had a repaint, and paint does show its age some. You can see some spots where it's kind of peeled off. And I'll point out others as we go around the vehicle. One of those you can drive the way it is, have a little fun with it, or maybe you want to take it to the next level, spend a little time and money on it. Check out the still pictures, see the underside, engine bay, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look on the hood there. You can see there is some hail damage. Maybe I'll take a look at the roof too before we get all the way around it. Kind of a custom interior installed in this one with the gray and orange two-tone combination. Did not get the glove box to close either. Obviously the latch needs a little TLC. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This still picture, be able to see the fender tag, see how this was equipped when new. And those still pictures will be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We'll fire it up here at the end. Let's hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Alright, let's fire this up. Vehicle spent most of its time in Texas and South Dakota. That's where it was registered the majority of its life. Odometer reads 149, 422. I can't confirm or deny. That's original. Once the vehicle becomes a certain age, it's no longer required on the title. It's just marked exempt, FYI. Take a look at the top of the dash. Little Kenwood aftermarket stereo system. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nice sounding exhaust. Alright. As you can see, there is a little paint there. And again, it's kind of consistently like that throughout. Not a real high-end trailer queen paint job, let's put it that way.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Looks like it may have originally been a white vehicle. There's that V8, 5.2 liter. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Looks like it has been converted to R134. 1992 Dodge Ramcharger. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.